Welcome, Calvin Jones here with the ice cream truck to talk about bikes. So let's talk about a change I like to make in the summertime, getting rid of the big boots on the ice cream truck for the snow and getting on the asphalt wheels, fast, skinny, ugly, okay, maybe so. But I've got the back done. This winter, toward the end of winter, I would hear something annoying and I need to check it out. So let's give a listen. Something's running alongside my tire. What's going on in there? Or is it the hub? We grab the frame, that's smooth. The noise is down here. Something is going on. What it might be is no sealant. When you get this noise, you may want to think about the level of your fluid. In my case, maybe no fluid. We can use the old dipstick technique, which we did on a previous Tech Tuesday. A skinny zip tie. I like to cut off the very end because we just get to those little ratchet teeth. Then we got to pull our valve core. So here, valve core comes off. And yes, that is my valve cap. It is a Schrader tubeless system. Schrader, the valve of the future. Out with the core. Out with the air. And with the dipstick. There ain't nothing in that oil pan. I should have some fluid here. I got nothing. Not a good thing. Now, I was suspicious of this during the winter. I could hear it some. But why didn't I fix it then? Well, I had a nice seat all the way around, all the way around. Normally what I should have done is just injected some fluid. So pretend we're back in the winter. I would pop this open. I would pull some fluid. 2 ounces, it's a big tire. We're gonna go some more. There we are. And then I would just inject it, and everything would be nice. Put the core in, spin it, everything's good. But today, let's do what mechanics like to do, take stuff apart. Let's look inside. This wheel needs to come out. We have the valve core out, no pressure inside. Let's pop a bead. Oh, baby. Push that over, yes. Oh, there we are. Now, tire lever. There we are. Let's see who's hiding in here. Not quite what I expected. There you are. Yes, it's just one. I expected several, but just one. That's some interesting physics. Just the writing, it all coalesced together in a single unit. Now let's pop it back on, fix this, get this one done. Well, what should we call these things? We need a name. What terms have you heard? What do you use? We've heard Spanimals. We've heard seal monsters. We want to know in the comments below from you. So, thanks for watching. Go out and seal a ride.
Okay.